Hi, this is my model of a Caterpillar D8R. It's built in a scale 1 to 5.6. Well, why such odd scale then? Well, normally there's always something that is very difficult to do. On wheeled models it's the tires that gives the scale. On a tracked it's the pitch of the change. I tried to find a pitch chain that could be useful, and that should be 1.5 inch in the pitch, but it couldn't, so it ended up building my own change. They're built like this, with 4 different steel parts cut out, designed in the computer and cut out by laser, and plate, and also the wedge on it. That makes one part here. They are still lacking the bolts, and they will be looking like this when they are ready. There's about 1,000 pieces into the tracks on the model. I've been building this model for almost, I think, around 9 years now. It has not been every day. Sometimes I have had stopped the model for maybe almost a year building. Something to talk about here, maybe the ripper. This is still lacking the hydraulic control for the ripper here, but all the other lifting and tilting cylinders are in place. Still missing the connection to be mounted on here. You can see here inside here also the quick coupling, and I have that because I have a scraper 463 that will be towed by this machine also. Some parts are not painted yet. I'm still working on those parts, but I think that before machine is operational I will repaint everything once more to get a good finish on it. Everything should be operational on the machine, just like the real one. That's including to some small detail like the door handle here. They are working with the spring, and as you can see they are working inside here also. Yeah, another feature, the door stop here, that's also working like the real one, keeping the door open when you are driving, and it's with a spring too. The engine is a Honda 2.5 horsepower 4-stroke gasoline engine built in here with a rebuilt carburetor and air intake. Here we have the quick coupling for the blade. I need to have that because I need to have to remove the blade to get the machine into my house. The engine will drive 2 6 liters hydraulic pumps, and both those pumps are connected to 2 proportional valves sitting here, and then putting out oil to the hydraulic motors placed inside the machine and going out to hub reduction, where the speed will be reduced to 1/4 of the speed. I said I will tow the scraper here. Here we have a design of that can be folded on and put together, so when I'm not using it and when I need it I just fold it down, mount this inside here, and bolt it together to the ripper attachment. The tracks will be spring loaded through a gas spring here inside, keeping the tension on the tracks. And as you can see, I have tried to make everything as prototypical as possible. I have made numerous trips to a friend of mine who has a D8R in real, and taking a lot of measurements, making my own drawings, and then finally making all the parts. It's not working at this moment. There's still a lot of parts to do. I think there's about 1 more year to this model building before it can run. The interior is still lacking inside the cab, and that will be built probably during summer or beginning autumn. And then there's still parts, other parts also to be built. Among them the muffler that will be built to fit inside here, and having the exhaust going out through the normal exhaust pipe. It's a rather big model. It's 74 centimeters wide on the blade. It's 1.5 meters in length. That's 5 foot. And the weight of the model right now is, I think, something around 440 pounds. So that's why I'm using this sharp to move around in the workshop, and also when I'm moving it out to my trailer to get to an exhibition also. There will be coming more videos when there is something more new to show. Thanks for viewing.